Hello everyone. Today in this lecture of CAD/CAM series, I will be dealing with the new topic, that is graphic standards and GKS, that is graphic kernel systems. So we will be studying various topics in this particular video, like what is graphics, examples of graphics, graphic standards, kernel system, graphic kernel system, purpose of graphic kernel system, parts of graphic kernel system, and finally we'll be winding up with features of graphic kernel system. So let's begin directly with what is graphics. What is graphics? In general, the term graphics refers to as a design or visual image displayed on a variety of surfaces, including canvas, paper, a wall, a sign, or a computer monitor. They are often referred to as computer generated imagery, more commonly known as CGI. Next is example of graphics. Examples include photographs, drawings, line arts, graphs, diagrams, typography, numbers, symbols, geometric designs, maps, engineering drawings, or other images. It means graphic often combines text, illustrations, and colors. Now we will come directly to graphic standards. What are graphic standards? Graphic standards are agreed specifications which defines the common interfaces between computer systems or subsystems. What is standards? Standards, if they are generally observed by manufacturers, promote the interchangeability of computer equipments. That is, when standards promote the portability of programs, this is called device independence. That means if any standard is being followed by any industry, that means that particular component or that particular graphics or that particular object is a device independence. That means that can be used for all the different purposes. Now coming directly to kernel system. The kernel is a computer program at the core of the computer's operating system with completely control over everything in the system. Let's not confuse ourselves with the BIOS. BIOS is something very different. So here we will be concentrating ourselves to kernel. A kernel is a computer program at the core of the computer's operating system with complete control over everything in the system. It is an integral part of any operating system and can act as a backbone to operating system. What exactly the kernel is? It is an interface between the software and the hardware component. A computer system has several diversified functionalities such as content editing, audio editing, video editing, gaming, presentations, hardware troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, image editing, etc. And for every functions we require separate softwares. It is from the figure it is clear that a kernel, it is a interface between an application, that is software, and the hardware. Hardware can be the memory of the system, it can be the mind of the system, that is CPU, and it can be the various operating devices. So as we know that the computer system has several diversified functions as mentioned, and also each software uses different hardware components. Like for gaming we use keyboards, joysticks, mouse, etc. For image editing we require digital graphics, monitor, printing in printers, etc. So kernel helps as a bridge between software and hardware and helps them to interact efficiently. So what is a kernel? It is a bridge between the software and the hardware. That means it uses various user spaces like applications, libraries, and provides the interface with the hardware, that is with CPU, memory, device. So we can say that kernel, it helps in process management, it also helps in memory management, and it also helps in device management. The working of kernel system works from the beginning to the end of the computer system. That means the working of kernel starts with the start of the computer and it winds up till the shutdown. and it manages the amount of resources being used by every computer system during multitasking. That means the kernel makes the work efficient by managing the amount of resources being used by every computer system during multitasking. Kernel system also helps to systematic allow the sequencing of different functions. That means it helps to manage different tasks in proper order. Kernel has separate space in memory, therefore doesn't hurdle the working of the computer applications or other applications. Therefore, it acts as the central authority that guides and allocates memory and manages all data. Graphic kernel system, GKS, short for graphical kernel system, or we can say graphic kernel system in many cases. GKS is an international standard for computer graphic files that defines how graphics are handled by software. Mostly we say kernel system as the graphic kernel system directly, as the maximum of the graphics are being handled by softwares. So this standardization allows for computer graphic files to be created on one computer and moved to different computers or software programs. That means because of the standardization of GKS, it allows for computer graphic files to be created on any one system or computer, and that can be easily moved to different software programs. What is the main purpose of GKS? GKS is an ANSI and ISO standard. GKS standardizes two-dimensional graphics functionalities at relatively low level. The primary purpose of standards are to provide for portability of graphic application programs. Second, to aid to the understanding of graphic methods by application programmer. Third, to provide guidelines for manufacturers in describing useful graphic capabilities. And what are the various parts of GKS? The GKS consists of basically three parts. First, an informal exposition of contents of the standards, which includes such things as positioning of text, filling of polygons, etc. Second, a formalization of the expository material outlined in this point 1 by way of abstracting the ideas into functional descriptions like input output parameters, effect of each functions, etc. And the third part includes the language bindings, which are the implementations of the abstract functions. Finally, what are the features of graphic kernel system? First is that is device independence. That is, the standard does not assume that the input or output device have any particular feature or restrictions. Text and annotations. All text and annotations are in a natural language like English. Display management. A complete suite of display management functions, cursor control and other features are provided by graphic kernel system, as it directly relates software with the hardware. So it manages various things: memory management, display management, and finally the graphic functions, that is graphics functions, are defined in 2D or 3D using graphic kernel system. So hope you understand. Thank you so much.